I've got one of the quickest ways for you that you can start working online, working from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Y'all pay attention. So there is a huge side of this online business industry that online business owners depend on every day. The bigger the business, the more that they need. There's various tasks and projects that have to be done on a daily basis. The cool thing about these positions too is they're totally flexible. You get to set your own working hours. You can work from home or anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. If you want to look into like data entry job, learn typing and writing, get paid for typing and writing online, social media management, I know people need help with that. I could keep going on and on. I revamped my Stand store. Go check it out. I put a link in there. You can learn, work, and earn money as an online assistant. Go check it out. It's right underneath the Success Path Masterclass. By the way, I only have 8 links. 2 of those links got snagged up today. So if y'all are interested in that, go ahead and jump on it. Right underneath that is where you can go and learn more about how you can become a virtual assistant.